Hello student, welcome to all in this class. Now in this class we are going to discuss the limitation of dimensional analysis, and before it we have solved. There are so many dimensional formula and dimensional equation also, and dimensions of physical quantity. Is it correct? And in this class we have the limitations of dimensional analysis. Yes, there are some limitations, and according to that it can work. And you know that already we have also discussed that there are so many physical quantities that having the same dimensional formula. Is it correct? Okay, so that having certain the limitations and in which it cannot work. Just like I can take examples. I have written here point by point that we can see here. Okay, just like first I have written this method does not enable us to determine the value of constant of proportionality, which may be pure number or dimensionless. Yes, pure numbers or dimensionless, it means that suppose that we have pure number. Pure number means, can we give the example? Pure number just like 1, 2, 3, 1 by 2, okay, minus 5 by 6. These are the numbers that you can take. The numbers, if it is included in any formula, it cannot gives the correct result. Is it correct? And here is the proportionality. Proportionality means we have so many formula, and when we remove, suppose one examples, we have the gravitational formula, that is the F directly proportional m1 m2 by r square. This is the formula. When you remove this one, then here we get what? Any proportionality constant. Is it correct? So like that, one example I am going to give here, and so many are related these ones. If there is any constants or pure numbers, in that case this result failures to give the correct result. Another, we have this method cannot be used to derive the relation such as s equal to ut plus half a t square. You see that not only this, already we have proved this formula by the graphical also, and also the which one? Calculus methods. Another, you have v is equal to u plus at. Next we have another v square minus u square equal to 2s. Yes, snth equal to u plus half a 2n minus 1. This formula also we have proved. Can we see that there are so many related this formula? If you will use the dimensional analysis, and this we cannot find out. Is it correct? Okay, second point correct. Third, you see that these methods cannot be used to derive a relation in case where the trigonometric or exponential function are involved. Just like trigonometric functions we have trigonometric functions. How many trigonometric functions are there? 6. Sin theta, you know, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, yes, sec theta, cot theta. Yes, these are the we have, whenever you use these limitations, it will give the incorrect result. Is it correct? Okay, so these methods is enabled to give the trigonometric functions. Exponential, suppose that if we have y is equal to function of x like that, or in terms of like that, y is equal to, suppose that y is equal to a to the power any numbers, or you take that, suppose that y is equal to a to the power x. If such type of equations are there, on that case also this method is failure to find out the result. Is it correct? Next, we have also the methods of dimensional analysis leads to incorrect result if the physical quantities on which the given physical quantity depends are not rightly chosen. You know that suppose that you have incorrect formula, and if you will use this one, on that case the correct cannot get. Okay, and one more thing, that there is one more point, okay, and that is the derives if there is more than 3 4, okay, more than 2 term, on that case also it will failure. Okay, so you can see that these methods fails to derive a relation when a physical quantity depends upon more than 3 physical quantities, and we have so many physical quantities, and if there is the addition, subtraction, division or multiplication, on that case you will see that in case 3 or more there is included, and there will incorrect result. So on that case you cannot use, okay, in this case you cannot use, because if you will use, it will give the incorrect result. Okay, so here is the some limitation that you should know, where we cannot use, where it can failure. Yes, but we can use to check the equation. Check the equation means what? Suppose that if we have physical quantities, if we have such as equation, and we can prove this one by taking LHS and RHS, okay, by using the dimensional method. So student, that's the very important point, you should know where we can use and where it failures. Okay student, okay, very good, thank you.